Today, we're talking about the difference lighting can make and how you should consider different types of lighting depending on the application. We'll tell you how to choose from compact fluorescent lighting to halogen to CMH to LED and why it matters. We'll also review how the right light can make all the difference for our customer's application. And visit our website, GElighting.com, to help you along further. Now, to help us understand what lighting is best for what application, Roy's back.
Hi, Sherry.
Roy.
Hi, how you doing? Great to be back.
Thanks. Hey, you know, we're on a pretty good trend here with the GE Lighting series, but today there's a great one. How do we help our customers pick the best lighting for their applications?
Excellent. Well, you have to make sure you select the correct light source for the application, obviously. The light sources we manufacture so many, there's a great opportunity to put the wrong light in the wrong application. And what that'll mean to the customer is higher operating cost, poor lighting, especially if there's an office, productivity, but it means it's going to be wasting energy. So we have to be careful which one we pick.
And that's a really huge thing today, energy efficiency and cost. How can we get our customers to understand that there is a difference between the type of lighting that they need versus that they might want?
Well, a lot of money could be wasted. It costs roughly $1 to operate 1 watt all year.
Wow.
So any energy, any wattage they could pull out of a fixture is going to be money in their pocket. And we could potentially save a customer $50 a year per fixture if they operate the fixture all year.
And we know that there's a lot of fixtures in a lot of our customers' businesses.
Quite a few, quite a few. Let me explain a little bit about some applications here and what some of the mistakes are and what some of the correct light sources to use are.
Great.
Great. Okay, usually when you're lighting a space, Sherry, be it a store, and that's what we're in, our retail application, could be an office, could be a factory. Where possible, try to divide the light into the area into 3 areas. There's general lighting, perimeter lighting, and accent lighting.
And what's the difference between those 3?
General lighting, you see an example of it right above you. General lighting is just what the name implies. It's lighting that fills the space, stumble lighting, light that allows you to do your job, for customers to see fabrics, for you to work at your desk. And probably the workhorse for general lighting is a fluorescent lamp. And we chatted about T8 lamps. This is a T5 lamp, but you could use T5 for general lighting, T8, energy efficient T8 lamps, low ballast factor ballast, a number of products to provide the correct general lighting but still not waste energy and save the end user money when it comes to operating cost.
Now, what would be perimeter lighting?
Let me show you. We just covered general lighting. Now what we want to do is reduce that cave effect. And if all we have is general lighting, that means the walls are dark. And when you and I walk into a space, it looks cold, it looks dull.
Right.
So an example of perimeter lighting, we have fixtures up above us, and those are wall washing fixtures. Now we could put a number of different lamps inside those. Those are using T5 lamps, but we could also find wall washing fixtures that use compact fluorescence. We can find some that have ceramic metal halides. If we continue further down, here's an example, and I'm mixing accent with perimeter, but here are ceramic metal halide fixtures that are performing 2 functions. Accent lighting, we'll forget about that just for the moment, ignore that, but also perimeter lighting. They're washing the back and opening up the space.
Right, I can see it. It makes everything really, really bright here.
Yes, yes. It's a very attractive area to shop in or to work in.
So give us an idea of accent lighting. What type of lighting would you use for that application?
Accent lighting, very common in stores, retail applications, but also we forget it's also used or should be used in offices.
Oh.
Because accent lighting provides visual interest. It's something to look at.
Okay.
Now I enjoy working in this space. And in retail, we have a number of applications. Examples. Here's some fabrics that I want you to be drawn to.
And I am. I like the green.
Well, they're excellent, excellent. Now, what's providing the accent lighting, we have small MR16 halogen lamps in the track. Very efficient light source, tight beam control. We'll look at more of those. We also can use accent lighting, use halogen light sources, PAR lamps, PAR 38s, PAR 20s. Most of the accent lighting used in facilities today is halogen. Now, where that's changing gradually is going from halogen to ceramic metal halide. I'm going to back you up, and we're going to look at some ceramic metal halide right above you here. The MR16 lamp we just looked at is a halogen light source. Excellent product. Excellent product. I can make that now out of a discharge lamp, a ceramic metal halide, and that is what we see above us.
Wow, and it gives ample lighting. I mean, you would think something this small.
Exactly. It's a powerful light source.
Yes.
It provides light, it provides punch, and now we have sparkle also.
Yep. So this then helps with cost efficiency as well.
Definitely. Because also if I have correct accent lighting, if I have the correct perimeter lighting, my impression of light levels in a room rises. It doesn't look dark anymore. Right. So now what I could do, if I do this wisely, I can reduce my general lighting, save energy. I can take some of the energy that I saved, put it on the walls, use it for accent lighting, get that feeling of brightness, and now I have a pleasant area to shop in, to work in, and I've saved energy.
Wow. Now, I also know that GE has some great online tools. How can our customers access those tools online?
Excellent website. Thank you for bringing that up. GElighting.com. GElighting.com. Sign on, and you'll see there's a number. We have information on that website, every product we have, but we also have tools, and these tools will allow you to input what your light level is, how big your space is, what are you using now, what kind of light source, and then what could you move to? What will the savings be? What will be the light level? And you could go through a number of what-if scenarios and tune your system, tune your facilities so you save the maximum amount of money.
Wow. Well, thanks again, Roy. We're going to be walking through some more wonderful applications here in another series. Roy Sierleja, take me on a tour.
Well, I'd love to. Let me show you some more.
So there are two different light sources here.
Yes, this is the application I really wanted to show you. This is an excellent example of accent lighting using two different products. To our right are halogen MR16s. Excellent product. See how the photo pops.
It sure
excellent
does.
color. To our left are LEDs. And this is a 7-watt LED product. Notice the colors pop just as they do with the halogen.
Right.
Beam control is excellent. There's very little wasted light. And we're going to be hearing more and more about LEDs in accent lighting and in the future with general lighting.
Well, I know that our customers want to know more. So how can they get in touch with an account manager?
Yes, good question. I'm going to refer back to our website, GElighting.com. I mentioned we have tools, we have testimonials, we have product information, and we also offer the whoever signs on the ability to get in contact with a GE account manager. So if they're interested in upgrading their lighting, if they're interested in saving money, please sign on. We'll get them in contact with the GE person, and we'll start the dollar saving process. We'll get that started. That's
very important for all of us. Roy, thank you so very much.
You're very welcome. My
very,
pleasure.
very helpful. And I hope he's helped you guys too. Thanks for joining us on our tour on the GE Lighting series. And from the GE Lighting and Electrical Institute, I'm Sherry McLean along with Roy Sierleja. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time.